Hi, pee pad.
Hey,
Alright, you need to go pee pee?
pee pad.
Huh?
Hey, pee pad.
Hey there, lily pad.
Wonder.
Huh?
Spider-Man love it.
Spider-Man. Are you Spider-Man today? Oh my gosh. Alright, sit on the toilet so you can go pee pee.
No. No, that. No nugget.
No, no nuggets. No nuggets. Maybe we'll get some later. Good job, Michael. That's a lot of pee-pee.
Brush.
Oh.
Brush.
Let's brush your teeth.
Brush. Hello. Bye.
Okay.
Bye, bird.
Bye, bird.
Big bird. Hello, big bird.
What big bird?
Big bird.
Okay, you gotta help me brush your teeth, okay? You ready? Oh, you're watering the plant. Thank you for making a mess. Okay, come on. Bimbi. Brushy, brushy, brushy. What happened? What happened? Brushy, brushy, brushy. Brushy, brushy, brushy. We'll get it right now. Brushy, brushy, brushy is good for your teeth. Brushy, brushy, brushy. Brushy, brushy, brushy. Brushy, brushy, brushy is good for your teeth. Brushy, brushy, brushy. Brushy, brushy, brushy. Brushy, brushy, brushy is good for your teeth. Okay, now I need you to spit. Spit. And then you can help me with the toothbrush. Okay, now we get to rinse your mouth. So it's after breakfast now, and I was gonna go grocery shopping right now, but Michael took out all his toys, and he seems like so content just playing here, and you know, just comfy in his PJs. Lightning McQueen, you're playing with Lightning?
Yeah.
Okay. That I kind of just feel bad, you know, and the groceries can wait till like later or tomorrow, so I think we're just gonna sit here and play for a little bit. Plus I have a lot of things to do at home, so I can skip grocery shopping for now and play with Michael for a little bit. Okay, I don't know if they're all gonna fit, baby. I think it's just one. Yeah, let's just do one, okay? We'll do lightning. You ready? Okay, don't touch it. 1, 2, 3. Whoa! Let's do storm. Move lightning. Ready?
Yeah.
Whoa! Who's next? Lightning? Cruz? Okay, do you want to help me push? Okay, I don't think that's gonna work, but we'll try. 1, 2, 3. Oh. You're cleaning the table right there? Okay. Thank you for being such a big helper. That's not cleaning. Crazy boy. Look at this mess you made. My goodness. I literally told him, don't make a mess. And then I come to the living room and there's a huge mess. So I organized his living room bin and put some actual toys that he plays with, because it was full of like tiny toys that were just making a mess and that he just didn't play with. So I organized those, and then I organized some of the toys in his room too. Are you calling somebody? Hello? So I organized this bin with all of his puzzles, because again, the puzzles were just like everywhere. So we'll see how long this takes, kind of organized. And then this bin has all of his dinosaurs, and then I just arranged his bins, and like I put certain toys in certain bins. It's not like super organized. It's not super organized because, you know, he's a kid and they're just not gonna, like, he's just not gonna understand that. Not yet, at least. So I just kind of organized it, made it look a little bit better and a little bit more put together. So hopefully it stays like that for a while. And look at all these tracks. Does anybody else have this many tracks? He has like 2 bins full of just like tracks that we buy for him or that come with like trains or whatever. Yeah, he just has a lot of tracks. You like that one?
Yeah.
Hey, I think it's almost time to get you dressed. Are you ready to get dressed? You want to stay in your PJs a little longer? Yeah, okay. I got all these apples and I'm gonna peel them and cut them up and then boil them so I can make some kind of like applesauce or homemade applesauce for Michael, because he loves applesauce and buying it all the time is, like, when you really think about it, it's kind of pricey. So I'd rather just make it. It doesn't take a lot of time and it's super cheap. So I think I'm gonna do that right now because I have some time. What do you want to do with your puzzle, with your castle? Where's your horses? Where are your horses?
Horses.
Yeah, where are they?
Horses are there.
Go get your horses so you can play with your castle.
Horses. Preview.
Whoa, that's a big horse. Where does this one go?
Copy.
Oh, it goes right there. Okay.
There you go. Hi.
It's okay.
Mama, pick it up.
I will go pick it up right now. Okay, what's next?
Apple fell.
This one?
Fell.
The apple fell? It's okay.
Mama, pick it up.
I will go pick it up. Here, let's line up all your little men.
Pick it up. Apple. Mama, pick it up.
I will pick it up, don't worry. So Michael's taking a nap and I just sat down in the couch for a little bit. Look how comfortable that looks. I want to still be in there, but I need to get some things done. I have lots of laundry. I have Michael's laundry, I have the baby's laundry, and I have still to fold all that. And then I need to take the tags up, all this stuff, and wash them. So there's a lot of things in here for the new baby. Getting ready. It's way later in the day now. It's like almost 6 o'clock. We're heading to get some ice cream and I'm having some major heartburn right now. Sometimes pregnancy isn't all that fun. Ew. Ice cream!
Bam!
Are you excited for ice cream?
Yeah.
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 Oh my god.